Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to activate chase.com account. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open Gmail on your device. So in order to finish creating your account, what you have to do is simply activate your account. For that, what you have to do is make sure you're logged into the email address that you used in order to sign up for chase.com. Now once you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now simply search for chase.com. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this email chase.com, activate your account. Tap on it. Now you can see over here that particular email will be opened. Now in this email you'll be able to find this button for activate your account. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to your browser and your account will be activated. So that is how you activate chase.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.